Hello friends. Welcome to the next video of the series of tariff determination process in India. From this video onwards, we will cover expenditure components of tariff petition, first of which is operation and maintenance cost. This is one of the major components of the expenditure. O&M expenses are basically the expenses incurred by the distribution companies for day-to-day working. It is divided majorly into three parts, which are 1. Employees cost. 2. Renovation and modernization, R&M cost. And 3. Administrative and general, A&G costs. Other than this, there are miscellaneous expenses, statutory levies, and taxes, except corporate income tax. Before going into details of these components, we will discuss the role of State Commission in O&M cost determination. O&M expenses are mainly calculated as per the norms finalized by the State Commissions. Commission approves these costs on the normative basis in line with their respective tariff regulations for determination of tariff for distribution business. Usually, distribution companies audited accounts of operations for the last 3 years, expenses claimed for control period, historically approved cost, and prudence check are used by the Commission to estimate values of norms. First component is employees cost, or establishment cost, which includes salaries, wages, and allowances of the employees of the distribution companies and contribution to employee funds escalated by the inflation indices and are often adjusted by the provisions for expenses beyond the control of distribution company, change in accounting policy, arrears paid due to pay commissions, etc., and one-time expected expenses, example, dearness allowance, terminal benefits in employee cost, etc. Next we move to renovation and modernization expenses, which is usually expressed as a percentage of opening gross fixed assets for the year, escalated by inflation index. At this point of time, it is important to understand what are gross fixed assets. It can be termed as the total assets owned by the distribution companies such as transformer, cables, etc. Moving forward, administrative and general costs include expenses on rent, rates and taxes, legal charges, audit, and other charges which are escalated by inflation index and adjusted by provisions for confirmed initiatives as proposed by distribution company and validated by State Commission or other expected one-time expenses. As we have said earlier in this video, all these three components are escalated by the inflation index. So, it is important to know to inflation indices which are Consumer Price Index, CPI, and Wholesale Price Index, WPI. Different states have chosen different mix of these indices for different O&M cost components. These indices are also considered for different time period, in terms of years, to get suitable value for consideration. Finally, let us know about statutory levies. These are defined as the charges paid by the distribution companies with the petition, which is mainly fixed by the Commission either on the basis of the sales of the distribution companies or a fixed amount. Hope you found this video informative and got a good sense of operation and maintenance costs. We will continue to discuss the expenditure components in upcoming videos. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.